TeleGuard app. So let's try to install it. So see what that is. It's a new messenger app. It's not that popular. Built by Swisscos AG. Anonymity guaranteed, no registration, there is no connection to a telephone number and no collection of user identification data. TeleGuard ID is your very personal identification number that you need in order to connect with your friends. Every TeleGuard user receives an ID number and QR code which can be sent out to get in touch with others. So yeah, here it is. You can allow to send notifications, and then you can just go in here and create your username. So for some reason, it just says that unsupported device. What's going on? Maybe. So I don't know, like something is weird is happening, but probably it will work on your device. So just, give it a try.